with this, what you're doing is you're having a drag angle, like real heavy, like 45 degrees, and I'm setting it down, and this is a 030 flux core, or inner shield, and I'm just going back and forth over the joint, trying to keep the pub together. It's such a low voltage, low heat, that it's can be a little tricky. Like the welds are only 1/8 inch wide. So here we go. You got 15 volts that wants to pop through a little bit. It's kind of a good bag of the pause. All I'm really doing is all I'm really doing. Just resetting the camera. I totally make YouTubes, guys. You have to see this freaking rig that I got up here. It's a 1/2 inch by, I don't know, I want to say it's like a heavy 16th wall square tube, and I've got a motorcycle. I got a motorcycle phone mount. Holding that stuff up. Yeah, all I'm really doing is trying to stay in the joint, because when you drag it and you're pulling it and it's in the flat position, it's hard to see the frickin' joint. But you learn over time how to stay in it. I cut my teeth on sheet metal back in the day. It was all 1/8 inch, really, 1/8 inch 090, making signs for we made Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram signs. So if you've got a Chrysler dealership, most likely I made the sign. Right after that, they were paying me, I think like $12 an hour back in 2010, 2013. I went from there to Union Sheet Metal Shop, and we were making galv-anneal or galvanized aluminum. Yeah, it's called galv-anneal roof curbs that hold up big ass HVAC components. They're the shock absorbers and like the space between the roof deck and the unit itself. And they roof in the roof curb, and then they bolt the air handler to that. But it was all 16 gauge sheet metal, and it was nothing but butt welds like this, and we just sped them together, man. It was kind of wild, but horrible job, because you're working with, galvanized sheet metal, so you're breathing that zinc oxide all day long. Plus, there was fiberglass insulation, like heavy fiber board insulation inside of them things to cut down on sound and also heat and air loss. God awful job. But I learned how to weld sheet metal, that's for sure. All vertical down pretty much, and all flat butt welds. And then on top of that, you'd have to weld over, you friggin' have the sheet metal, real thin 20 gauge sheet metal, over top of a 3/4 inch piece of plywood, and the plywood is what gave the sheet metal structure That was more or less a lid for one of these platform bases. And man, what a freaking nightmare. Alright, let me clean this up and I'll show you a little taste of what I got going on here. Alright, hold on a second. People want to dog on flux core, and if you're just starting out, don't waste your time with a regular MIG welder where you got to get gas and everything. Like, forget about that. I'm a professional welder, and I don't have 70, 75, 25, or 80-10 or whatever. I mean, granted, I'm a mobile repair guy, but you don't need gas, man. And it's such a hassle and an expense as well. Then you gotta have a freaking cart, you know, you store your bottle. Forget that. That's gay. Don't do that. It's a little flux core. This is a nice machine. It's small. It's a Millermatic AC/DC 220. I got like $1,000 off on that, brand new, because I was kind of tight with my my gas man, and it was a what do you call that? Like a factory floor model or something like that. It's a $4,000+ unit I got for $3,100. I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna show you what this thing is actually for. I think it's 2, 4, 6, 8 foot tall by 6 square. Hold on a second.